Now we will see construction of a matrix. The elements of a matrix is represented by Aij, where I is equal to number of rows and j is equal to number of columns. Suppose we have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix. It means that it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So it is 2 rows and 2 columns. So first we will indicate the number of rows. So it is first row. So we have given number as 1 1. It is second row. So we have given it as 2. It is first. Now we will indicate the number of columns. So it is first column and it is second column. Now we have got 2 by 2 matrix as A11, A12, A21 and A22, in which first number indicates the number of row and the second number indicates the number of columns. Likewise, for 3 by 3 matrix, it means that it has 3 rows and 3 columns. So we will construct it for 3 rows and 3 columns. First we will indicate the number for row. So it is first row, it is second row and this is third row. Now we will indicate the number of columns. It is first column, it is second column and this is third column. Now we have got our 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now we will go through the questions of construction of a matrix. Suppose you have given construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, in which Aij is equal to I plus j. Now we have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix A. So 2 by 2 matrix means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So we will indicate the elements as A11, A12, A21 and A22. So here it is given that Aij is equal to I plus j. Here I and j is 1 and 1. So its first element will be 1 plus 1. Here Ij is 1, 2. So its second element will be 1 plus 2. Here Ij is 2, 1. So its element will be 2 plus 1. Here it's Ij is 2 and 2. So it will be 2 plus 2. Now your elements will be 2, 3, 3 and 4. Now we have got our required matrix. We will go through another question. Suppose we have got a construct a 2 by 3 matrix. A is equal to Aij, in which Aij is equal to I plus j whole square. So here we have to construct 2 by 3 matrix, means it has 2 row and 3 columns. So 2 row and 3 columns. We have got it. This is 2 row and 3 columns. We will indicate the number of row. It is first row. This is second row. Now we will indicate the number of columns. It is first column. It is second column. This is third column. Now we have got 2 by 3 matrix. Here elements are given by I plus j whole square.